go down. Yeah, much better. I like it like that much better than this weird wing. That weird. Love my new hair. All right, I gotta do this piece right here. Take this little Marcel curling iron. I'm just gonna curl it a little. It doesn't get really hot because it's older. I just need to put another curling iron on there. All right, here we go. Now Marcel, you turn it. See how you can do this with a Marcel, which is really nice, or you could stop it. It doesn't have to be that way, but I like that. So it just kind of glides. Take it. And then I'm gonna just easier to use. But once you learn how to do it, it's not always so easy to do it right away. Okay, and you wanna look at the barrel, see, as if I was curling it back. You gotta put it in so that piece goes back and don't get a fish hook. When you get a fish hook, that means you have it the wrong way and you're trying to make it go the opposite direction. And then look at the pieces because I need to do some of the back. So I'm gonna take this piece, see that it's going back. And if I change it the other way, I could come in if I wanted to twirl towards my face, but I want it to go back. So I'm gonna take that and it's gonna go back. And just let it get warm, hot. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Little, you don't want it to be a fish hook. Yeah, like that. This is gonna be a big piece right here and not a real super. I wish it was really hot. It'd work really quick. It's really probably good for fine hair, so it doesn't get super hot. But for my nice thick hair, my daughter just put extensions in me yesterday and I love them. These are Donna Bella. Love Donna Bella. They feel real and I do one-sided so it matches with my hair. Because I have fine hair, but I have a lot of it. She put a couple double-sided, but most of them are single-sided. I have to probably do this piece again, a little bit more. It's just not laying right. Turn it, yeah, because I want it to be a little spirally. And then I'll take it out, go down. Yeah, much better. I like it like that much better than this weird wing, that weird wing. And then I want this, and I just want to grab a little bit of that. Now I'll like that it's not so hot. See, sometimes I want it real hot and sometimes I don't because I don't want it to imprint it. I just want it ever so slightly. Yeah, exactly. That's what I want. I'm just gonna do a little bit right here. Okay, remember, hold it. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Now watch. Yeah. Yay, and I'll have good hair for days. It'll stay so good. Now I just have to finish this side. Okay, I need to do this top part. And just making sure though, even though I grab that, I still have to grab the end of there. So I have to just ever so slightly open it and grab the end. And if I can hold it, that's how you can tell it's not a super hot curling iron, because I can hold it. But that's exactly what I want. So now I just gotta go a little higher. Now I'm gonna get that just right. I made sure I got the ends in there. Just a little bit more forward. Perfect. Yep, and then I wanna do one more right here. Yeah. Perfect. I love it. My new hair. Heather J did my extensions, and I love them. And they're tape-ins. Let me show you. Okay, so it's a piece of tape that she puts my hair in between. And I wash them just like normal. And listen, I take my fingers like this when I have to wash them and go in this way when I wash it. And then I can wash my whole top of my head, you know, and I could put it up because she put them lower because you can't see them, right? Yeah, no. Because I made her put them a little higher. So this way. And I like to be able to sometimes put my hair up like here. You know, you can do so much more with long hair, I feel like, for me. So, what do you think? I love my new hair. Heather J did all my extensions. And Jessie cut them for me. I'm gonna put a little hairspray in there. And I'm all set. And I used my brush and blow dryer for the top. And then I just curled all this. All right, here we go. Have a great day, guys. Coach Kimmy here. And if you love it, subscribe.